Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem quickly and effectively. So what you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So this is only one step method. So go to search bar, type your control panel, and from the search results click here to open it. Once we're here, we need to select view by as category. If you selected the large icons or small icons, change it to the category. Then click on network and internet, then go to the network and sharing center, and here you will get your Wi-Fi or Ethernet. So just select it, go to its properties, and once we are here, select the IPv4 internet protocol version 4, select it and open its properties. Once we are here, we need to use the following DNS server address. So just select this, press 8.8.8.8 and press the tab button from your keyboard to come here, then type your 8.8.4.4. so as you can see on my screen, set all the DNS address on your system and click on OK. Once done, close all windows one by one, reconnect your internet connection and simply restart your system. Your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.